Hey guys, hopefully you guys can hear and see this pretty clearly. I just wanted to show this off because, well, I worked hard on it. It's probably going to be useful to literally none of you. So I guess first I'll explain what it is. It's just a multi-toon program really at the base of it. What I'm not doing is making something that's like groundbreaking that hasn't been done before. There's actually already a program that does exactly this, that runs on Windows, which is probably what everybody here uses. And I used it for a while and it works great. However, I wanted to switch to Linux, not just any Linux environment, but something that uses Wayland. And there is a Linux version that's available, but it doesn't support Wayland. But yeah, anyways, I really wanted to switch to this, so I had to either do one of two things. One, switch back to Windows if I wanted to multi-toon, or two, make one myself. So that's what I did. I'll say this has some improvements over the Windows version. Most notably, if you're using the Windows version, you have to drag the cursor to each window to get it to recognize before you're able to use it. This one, you don't have to do that. It automatically detects any ToonTown window that's open. So I'll just go ahead and show you. You just hit Start Service. It automatically detects that there's two windows, and this will support up to 4 tunes. So right now I can just go ahead and freely control both tunes at the same time. Right now I have their key mapping set differently. I have Flossbud set to WASD, and then Hector over to my arrow keys. If I had them set the same, they would both move at the same time, but I want to be able to control them independently. But if I were to like press space, for example, they'd both jump, as well as any text gets sent at the same time. So that's pretty cool. It also has a keep alive function, which the other one on Windows does as well. So this is useful for going AFK. So if I enable this, it's going to send the space key every 30 seconds. So I can use this if I'm like at Donald's Dreamland trying to get jelly beans, if there's people throwing them out. See, there, it just did it. So I could have it set to space. I could have it set to any key I want to open the book. I just kind of like having it set to jump right now. But yeah, I have a log. Just goes over any changes that happen. This is more so for me than anything. Any errors will get put here. Settings is empty right now. I had a dark mode feature enabled, and that's where this was, but it was kind of buggy, so it's not there for now. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I can also freely enable and disable these. So if I have just one tune selected, it'll just only let me control one. I can also do the other way around, and it won't let me control the first tune. And then if these were enabled, I could just control all tunes, just like that. But yeah, there you go. I plan on hopefully making some more changes, adding some more features if I can. And if everything goes well, I plan on making a Windows version, so if you guys ever want to multi-toon, this may be something that could be useful for you in the future. Anyways, yep, that's it.